Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to talk about all you need to know about Mineperia. So before we continue, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and if you have any question, don't forget to drop it on the comment section. So for those that are coming across my channel for the first time, all we do here is to drop tips on how you can earn money online. So back to the main thing. This is an airdrop they launched last month, so it has been trending. A lot of people have been mining non-stop. So other people also say that they have made withdrawal on the platform. I have not confirmed it yet. So for now, I'm going to tell you guys all you need to do and how you can go about the mining process. So click on the link on the description box. It will direct you to your browser. Then you see this interface. The next thing you're going to do is to click on get on Google Play. So they will direct you to Play Store where you will download the app. So guys, after downloading the app from Play Store, open the app and continue to register. I'm doing this thing like this because I was not allowed to screen record directly from the app. So all you need to do is just put your first name, put your last name, the email address, then put your password. Scroll down, re-enter the password again, then add the referral code down here. That's the promo code. Then click on register. When you register, you can now continue mining. But in case if you want to register and you encounter a situation whereby they say that you have a multiple account under your device, all you need to do is just continue with Google. Use Google to register. That's all you have to do. So make sure you verify that you're not a robot. After the verification, you can now continue. So since I already have an account on it, I'll just click on login. I use Google in registering, so this is the dashboard. Already I have 97 Pera token. They are still on their early stage. They launched last month, which is May. So they're still on their early stage. All you need to do is for you to come to start mining and activate your miner. So before that, people that register using Google, come here, come to your referral, click on I have a referral code, put in the referral code showing on the screen and join. So on the mining side, we have 7 slots. As a new user, you are going to be given 3 free slots. So if you want to unlock more slots, you have to invite people, but you can still maintain the 3 slots if you don't have people to invite. So you can invite people to unlock until you reach the 7. The 7 slots is 25 users, but if you know that you cannot invite, just continue with the free miner. That's all. So this is the wallet. This is where you can connect and withdraw. Like according to them, they said the minimum withdrawal is 500 Pera token. So this is where you can withdraw if it's time for you to withdraw. They said they needed BEP20 wallet address, either Trust Wallet or MetaMask. I've already asked the customer service about this, and I'm not sure. Resolved. Okay. They said, hello, you do not need to import the Pera token first in order to set your wallet, your withdrawal wallet. You only need to copy and submit your BEP20 wallet address from Trust Wallet. After withdrawal is sent, the Pera token will transfer to that BEP20 address. However, to see Pera balance inside Trust Wallet, you may need to manually import and add the Pera token using the official contract address. So in short, for withdrawal, BEP20 wallet address is enough. To display Pera in wallet, add import to okay. So they said we can just use our normal BEP20 address, the BSC address of our Trust Wallet or MetaMask. If you have OKS, you can also use it. So I imported the token and their contract address on my Trust wallet, but I will not make use of it for withdrawal. Take note, don't make use of it for withdrawal because we are not sure yet. So if we want to withdraw, now let's connect our wallet address. If you need the contract address, it's going to be on the description box, or you can join my Telegram channel to get the contract address. So now I will head over to my Trust wallet to copy my BEP20 address. I already imported the Pera token, the Pera coin in my Trust wallet. So if you want to import, you see this manage crypto. If you cannot find it here, this arrow here, click on it. There you see manage token. When you see the manage token, click on the plus sign at the top, then select BSC, the Binance Smart Chain, paste the contract address which you are going to copy from my Telegram channel or the description box. So this thing will automatically show. You see the name Pera coin, symbol Pera, ATD, then you click on import. So after importing, please don't use it for withdrawal. Then if you want to withdraw, click on receive, choose the BSC, this is it, then copy this one. If you have MetaMask, use the same procedure. This is Trust Wallet. Then we'll go back to the Pera app and connect our wallet. So we'll click on wallet, click on connect. So let's paste the address. I'll click on save and verify. So they're going to send a verification code in your email. So we're going to go to our email to check if there is any message available. I will now click on confirm wallet address. Confirm wallet. So my wallet is now verified. So as you can see, is now verified. So in case maybe in the future I want to make withdrawal, I have up to 500 token to withdraw, I can now put it and make withdrawal. That's all for this Pera. Airdrop is very nice, so if you take it serious, you might get something from it. Thanks for watching up to this hour. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like. If you have any other question, you can ask your question in the comment section. I'm always available to reply.